Hi everyone, big week for crypto. From Gemini's blockbuster IPO to bold SEC reforms and Ethereum's rising dominance on Wall Street, let's break it down. Gemini IPO, oversubscribed 20 times. Let's start with Gemini. The Winklevoss founded exchange just updated the terms of its IPO. They're listing over 15 million shares at $28 each, with trading kicking off this Friday on Nasdaq. Here's the catch. Demand was off the charts, oversubscribed by 20 times. But despite that, Gemini capped proceeds at $425 million. A very unusual move in the IPO world. At full valuation, the company could top $3 billion. And without the cap, filings show proceeds could have hit $433 million. Clearly, investors are eager to get a piece of Gemini. SEC pushes for super apps in regulation. Now to regulation. Big news from SEC Chairman Paul Atkins. In Paris, he announced that most crypto tokens are not securities. A major shift from the enforcement-heavy stance we've seen. The SEC's new initiative, called the Crypto Project, is aiming to modernize securities rules for blockchain. One key idea? Allowing platforms to operate as super apps, where trading, lending, and staking could all fall under one clear regulatory framework. This could mean fewer lawsuits and more clarity for the entire industry. Ethereum becomes Wall Street's foundation. And finally, Ethereum is stepping deeper into institutional finance. Analysts at FBS highlight that even billionaire Peter Thiel is backing ETH-linked treasury bonds. That's huge. Why? Because Ethereum isn't just seen as a crypto asset anymore. It's becoming financial infrastructure. The staking economy is worth over $170 billion with yields of 3 to 4% annually, competitive with traditional bonds. Pension funds and corporate treasuries are taking notice. Meanwhile, scaling networks like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Coinbase's Base are processing over 12 million transactions daily. That's far beyond Ethereum's base layer and shows how strong the ecosystem is becoming. So, from record IPO demand to regulatory shifts to Ethereum powering Wall Street, the crypto space is moving fast. Stay ahead of the curve, subscribe, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't miss our next update.